Let's do the Tagalog version.
Apa.
Apa. Oh, galing Tagalog agad. Papunta ka pa lang.
Sa SM.
What else? What else? That's a good answer. Why SM?
Yes.
Because?
SM.
Ano pa? I suddenly felt blank. I can't think. Ate, ano pa? No. What else?
Nothing?
Nothing.
Wala.
Bakit? Tagalog. Kasamahan papunta ka pa lang.
SM.
SM.
We got it
All for you.
you.
Okay. What else?
Wala.
Oh, yun. Okay, ready for the next question?
Mhm.
Pag ako,
Ako. Pumunta sa flower shop, bibilhin ka ikaw ng flowers.
okay. What else? Ayan, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Na laging maging safe and healthy.
Oh, sinasabi sa'yo na yun. Good answer. What else? Wait, I'm thinking. Pagbilang ko ng isa.
Dalawa. Tatlo.
What else? Good answers though. Paglaki mo.
Paglaki ko, I will never forget you and Pop
Oh,
and Ate.
Tagalog na lang pala.
Hindi ko po kakalimutan kaya po si Nanay at Tatay at Ate.
Oh. Good job. Anything else?
Yeah.
There's a lot more eh. I keep forgetting. Wala dito eh.
Saan?
Huwag kang mag-look.
Huh?
I'll search.
I'm really gonna search.
Ayan, nung panahon ko.
Nung panahon mo.
Or kami nga noon.
What?
Kami nga noon. Yun ko rin. Kami nga noon.
Kami na noon. Nagtatrabaho at bata pa.
Ha? Kami nga noon ay?
What are you talking about? Kami na noon ay naglilisan sa nanay at tatay. Pupunta ako. Pag hinanap mo ako, pupunta ako.
Pinagalag ng Algo worship song.
Pupunta ako. Pupunta ako.
Ano pa?
ako.
I can't think now, but there's usually a lot.
Yung pag
Pag
when you send me, pupunta ka.
Okay. One last. May naisip ka pa? Yeah.
Pupunta ka. Pupunta ako. Pupunta ako. Pupunta ako.
That's what I can think lang. Papunta ka pa lang.
Pupunta.
Ayan, alam na. O, kapag yan nakita ko.
Nakita ko. Pag yan
You
nakita
talk to them
ko.
kasi. You answer it.
Pag yan nakita ko, ay gagamitin ko.
Gagawin mo. Because before, it's pag yan nakita ko, makikita mo. Okay, anong akala mo sa akin?
Ano akala mo sa akin? I don't get that question.
Like, what do you think of me?
I think of you as my mommy. And mommy loves me. Wait, mommy cooks yummy food for me.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
You like my cooking?
super.
I think that's it. Do you want to tell anything to me? You don't want to say
No.
anything to me?
And
Hey, look at the TV.
I love you.
You what?
I love you
Okay.
so much.
I love you more.
No, I love you. Not possible.
Not possible to love me?
No, not possible for you to love me more.
Okay po. I love you. Happy Mother's Day to me.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ganito.
Bye-bye.